Hey ceramics students, Miss DeSalt here. This is a process video on how to get started with your found object sculpture. Step number one is collect materials. I had, and work again with what you have available. I tended to collect a number of items from hikes that I've taken. Birch bark, branches, I have some moss here. I've collected a lot of things, some packaging. But I know that I want to use all of these to create something. Okay, so step number one, again, collect a variety of items, more than you'll need. Once you've collected your items, think about how you will assemble and attach rubber bands, twist ties, tape, any kind of tape will work, masking, scotch tape, packaging tape, athletic tape, stapler, string. In my case, I'm using twine. Once you have all of your materials and items to attach, play around. How can you create something? Okay, in my case, I'm making a butterfly. It's recognizable. I've wrapped the center focal point with twine. I've used rubber bands to attach the wings. And I'm just having fun here. If you're using glue, you can use an old paintbrush to glue with. If you do not have access to paintbrushes, toothbrush, Q-tip, just about anything will work. But again, I cannot emphasize enough how much we want you all just to have fun, work with what you have, what's available, and reach out if you have any questions. We cannot wait to see what you come up with. And that's it for now. Signing off.